Hello and welcome to TRAMS DEX. In this tutorial, we're going to go over some of the basics on how to use the TRAMS DEX platform. At the top, you can see the homepage icon, the About Us icon, which takes you to an article for in-depth reading about what TRAMS DEX is and the TRAMS token. And you can also see the TRAMS stations, which we'll talk about in more detail later. And you can also see your TRAMS balance and the total TRAMS supply. Now to unlock these, we first have to unlock our wallet. So click on Unlock Wallet, and you can see there are two options. The first option is to connect your wallet using Wallet Connect. You can do this by scanning a QR code through one of your mobile apps that interfaces with TRAMS DEX, such as Trust, Coinbase, or Mu. But for this tutorial, we're going to connect our MetaMask wallet, which has a convenient browser plugin. So click on MetaMask and the MetaMask icon will pop up. Type in your password and press connect. Now you can see the total supply of TRAMS and any balance of TRAMS you might currently have. So the next step is to buy some TRAMS. If we click on the buy TRAMS, it will take us over to Uniswap, where we can swap Uni or Ethereum or any other ERC20 token for a TRAMS token. So let's say we want to buy 100 TRAMS. We can see the 100 TRAMS and the corresponding value in Ethereum. We can see the price impact and the liquidity provider fee. If we want to view analytics, we can click on that button and that will take us over to the Uniswap TRAMS ETH pair analytics, where we can see total liquidity, trade volume, and fees. And you can see the price of TRAMS since the launch. Now, once we hit swap, we can confirm swap. The MetaMask wallet will pop up showing you the gas fees. Press confirm. Your transaction is now submitted. You can see in the top right corner that the transaction is pending. And if you click on the pending icon, you can view the blockchain transaction on Etherscan and see any other recent transactions that have occurred. The transaction may take a few moments to confirm, but once it is confirmed, you will now see your TRAMS balance back on the homepage of the TRAMS DEX site. That's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will talk about adding liquidity to the TRAMS pool. Thank you for watching.